Hello guys, welcome to Solutions Hub. On today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to get your product link on Selar. So let's log in. Now you must have created your account, so we are going to put in our username and the password. Good. So we are logged in. You can see we have about 11 products, and then we have made 3 sales in the last couple of days. Right, good. If you want to see all your product links, you come to this sidebar, and then you can see what the store link, right? So if you click on it, you can see it has opened on a new window, and then from this page, all the products you have in your store will be listed here. So we have about 11. This 8, 9, 10. Good. So one of the product has been deactivated. That's why you can't see it here. So you don't need to just share one of the links. You can just share the whole link, and then people who are interested can just surf through the store and then click and buy whatever they need. Right, good. So we believe this short and straight video has shown you how to locate the product link, which is the store link, from your Selar dashboard. We'll see you on another tutorial. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.